Ingredient: 16 grams flour, 10 grams baking powder, 100 grams liquid milk, 30 grams sugar, 1 egg, 20 grams margarine, 14 grams melted chocolate.
Step by step, heat margarine until melted. Put 1 egg, add 30 grams of sugar, stir until the sugar is dissolved. Add 100 grams of liquid milk. Stir until evenly. Add 60 grams of flour. Stir until evenly. Add 10 grams of baking powder. Stir until everything is well mixed. And 20 melted margarine. Mix well.
Heat the teflon. Then add 1 large spoon of dough. Turn it if the dough already has small holes. Remove when the color of the dough is a bit brown. Repeat until it becomes a few pancakes. Add melted chocolate or topping.